Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Will We Make It? I'm your host, Cosmo. Boy, it's been a wild week. It's been up and down. What a roller coaster ride we have had. We're going to go over the markets this week and what I expect going into next week, as well as some interesting new projects that you might be interested in finding a little bit more about. All this on today's episode, so let's get it. Before we get into everything, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please share this video, help it get it out. It really helps the channel. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the news. Here we are. We can take a look at the markets. We had a really nice rebound Thursday and Friday, and it really basically wiped out a lot of the losses that we had from the previous, from the beginning of the month, or the beginning of the week, excuse me. But remember in my previous video, I said that we'd have a lot of ups and downs, but we really wouldn't move a whole lot overall. Well, if you take a look at the month chart, as you can see, overall for the month, we really only moved 0.069%. So not even a 0.10% move overall. So it is that just goes to show how volatile the market is right now. You really kind of need to hold on, so to speak, to really see where we're going to go going forward. Now, a lot of people are saying, did we hit the bottom? Is this going to be a nice bull run? Will it continue this week? To be honest with you, I have no idea, but my personal opinion, I do believe that we are not out of the woods yet. I do see the market going down further. I still think that we have a lot more adjustments or consolidating, if you want to call it, to go before we really get into a nice bull run, a steady increase. So we're going to see some huge ups, some huge downs. I would just hold on, stick to the stocks that you feel good about. I did make some moves over the past week. I was gone. I haven't been around. I was out in Texas on vacation. I had a great time. So that's why you haven't seen me post a video, but I'm back now. I have been keeping track of the market. Believe me, I was worried just like the rest of you on what was going on, and it was good to see it rebound. I made some moves, which I'll go over here shortly, and I do have some interesting crypto projects to go over as well. A couple moves I made. I have my energy play, my double 2x leverage energy play. This did really well. It's been going steadily up for the past week. I mean, it's up 14% from the previous week. So this has been really, really beneficial for me. Also, I got involved in Roku and Netflix. I do believe these are way, way undervalued. I mean, if you go back to the year chart, they're down 61% for the year. Same with Roku. Right here, 72% down from the past year. I do believe that there is strong potential here, so I'm going to continue to dollar cost average in these two stocks. I feel good about them going forward. I'm going to continue with my ERX, my energy play. I did get involved into a Playboy stock. Just followed some insights, some analysts. It's down 80% from the past year. Playboy, of course, the magazine company, but they do a lot of other things as well. They do some female products, some female care products, excuse me. They also have, their website, and they offer a couple other products as well. So, taking a little risk going in here. I do see a huge upside potential with Playboy, so I went ahead and got involved in that stock as well. Now, let's go turn to crypto. Now, crypto has been going crazy, and most of it is not good. I mean, it has just been on a steady decline. Today has been pretty well. It's kind of having a nice rebound. Ethereum dropped to 1,700 a few times in the last week or two. So, I mean, we can go to the 7-day. It's dropped down here, 1761, even down here, 1732, 29. So it's very unsteady. Now, the point of this is Ethereum is 2.0 merge that's coming up. We do have a date. They do say it's going to happen in August. I do not know when in August it will happen, but it is coming in August. So me personally, I'm going to put in $100 every 2 weeks into my Ethereum to basically reinforce my position. I do believe if it does take off, we could see Ethereum go from 1,800 to estimates of 20 to 30,000 within the next year. So that is 10 times your money. So it is definitely, is that a guarantee? No. Is it a good possibility? I believe so. So that's basically where I'm at with Ethereum. I do want to go over two nice little, maybe not well-known projects in the crypto world. With some of these new crypto projects, CoinMarketCap is basically your best resource, and you can simply, find any type of coin, on CoinMarketCap. I do have a couple ones that I have put on my watch list, and I'm going to go over the two projects that I'm talking about. But all you have to do is simply select the coin, and you have the option to go right to their website, and it will basically take you right to their website. You can read their white page, you can read all their information, any type of news, who's the developers, and basically get an idea of, is this something that you think is going to be popular? If this is something that people are talking about, is this something that's gonna, really expand? Are they, do they have a roadmap to where they are going to make continual upgrades? Are they going to continue to expand and develop their program, their game? And I think personally, these blockchain games are definitely the way of the future. These play to earn games, to where not only do you get to play, but you get to earn money, to actual real money, stuff that's actually worth something, as well as upgrading your character, personalizing your character, or your whatever that whatever that it is, whether it be a ship, a character, your own plot of land, whatever it may be. So do your own research when you're researching these projects. But I think personally, it's these little small projects that are just going to come out of the woodwork and have the potential to make some really good money. The first project I'm going to talk about is Rev. Now, Rev is basically a online token. I can pull up the website, and it's basically a play to earn game involving Need for Speed, Formula One, MotoGP. It's a NFT type racing game. It has some great big backing. This is the website here that you can go to, revmotorsport.com. You can go ahead and look into it. They've got some pretty nice backing behind it. You can see all of the things that it's available on. It just got released on Gemini, so it's not listed here. It just got released probably a few days ago. So here you got some news here. They've raised millions of dollars to help expand their brand. Their Amico Brands is the company that's basically running the Rev token, or Rev metaverse, basically. Here we have their Whitepaper, whatever you want to call it, which is basically their mission statement, their company goal. going forward. And here you can see here it says Rev is a ERC20 utility token that is designed to be currency of purchase, utility, and action in support of play to earn motorsport blockchain game. Supported games include F1, Formula One, they got MotoGP, third title license soon, and I do believe that this could be Need for Speed. They are looking into announcing it. I'm not sure if they did already, but they are looking. This could be huge. EA Sports has Need for Speed license, so I don't know how that's going to go, but they are looking to acquire another title soon. So this is just I think the opportunity here is huge. Everybody loves racing games. The total supply of tokens is 3 billion. May seem like a lot, but that is actually very low. So the lower the amount of tokens, the more they're going to be worth. So there's that's a very good number here. The token supply is low and it's fixed, so they're not going to be making any more tokens after they get that mark. So this is a new upcoming game coming soon. I'm very excited about it. I went ahead and put in a nice little position, and it's a little down, but so is all crypto. But if things take off, this could be huge going forward. I mean, 2 cents, it's sitting at 2 cents right now. And starting out, games like Axie Infinity started off at, I believe, like 20 cents and went all the way up to almost $200 per token. Of course, it went right back down, but you just got to know when to take profits. So another one that I'm also interested in, looks really well, is Star Atlas. Now, Star Atlas is a sci-fi game, and you can go to the website here, and this looks amazing. It has not been released yet, so there's great opportunity to get in. I mean, look at this website. This website is just amazing. You basically, with the Star Atlas is the token, and you basically go ahead and purchase. You can buy your ship, you can join factions. Here you've got the whole, it's a blockchain game, massive multiplayer, spacefaring game. You can buy your ship, you can join one of 3 races, and they already have a growing community. Let's see if I can get fast forward here. See, equip your ship for deep space travel. I mean, there is just a lot of quality work that is going into this game, and they're taking their time in their release. You can join now one of 3 races as far right now. I don't know if they're going to be bringing out more races going forward, but I mean, this just looks incredible right now. Here there's part of the trailer. You can go ahead and view it at staratlas.com. This is another excellent opportunity. Now, the thing with Star Atlas is it's only available on a decentralized exchange. However, me personally, I'm not big on decentralized exchanges because I do not want to pay money for gas fees. I refuse to pay 30, 40, 50, 150, whatever the amount is, just to make my purchase. I'm all against fees and transaction fees. So, but you can purchase the Star Atlas DAO. Is available on a major exchange. It is available on Kraken. So basically, DAO is the stable coin for Atlas, and they pretty much go hand in hand. So if Star Atlas goes up, the Star Atlas DAO will reflect that as well. So this is, both go hand in hand. As you can see, here's the Star Atlas here, and here is the DAO. Now both are involved in the game, and both are available for purchase. Well, the DAO is available for purchase on Kraken. So those are my two exciting cryptos that are coming out that I'm looking into. I've already taken some positions in both of those going forward. Before we go, I also want to update my portfolio for you guys. Like I said, I did make some moves. I made some purchases, as well as my continual auto investments. Even while I was gone, my auto investments go in automatically. So let's go over to the chart and see where we're at. Okay, here we have the previous total. As you can see, this is from May 8th, so it's been a little while. Like I said, I've been on vacation, so I have the figures for up to date, and we'll go ahead and enter them in now. Here we are. I went ahead and entered them in. I don't know why I put May 15th over here, but let me go ahead and change that. Today is the 30th. There we go. Alright, so now before we go over this, as you can see, it is significantly a lot more. A couple changes. One, this is basically 2 weeks of auto investing, so it's going to be a little more jump. Over here on Coinbase, this jumped quite significantly because I had some Ethereum sitting on another exchange that was basically just doing nothing. And since the merger was coming and I had most of my Ethereum on Coinbase, I went ahead and transferred that account and just combined them to Coinbase. So that's why that made a significant jump. But other than that, everything has just been my auto invests going forward every week. As you can see, it's about 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks, pretty much 3 weeks since I last input these numbers. So you can go ahead and see the difference. Right now I'm $2,055. What's that? $2,035 from my previous total, $1,525. So pretty significant. Went up $510 from my previous entry. And my percentage of completion to 8,000 is 25%. So we are making some gains, better than going backwards, ladies and gentlemen. So that's good stuff. So that's all I've got. There's your update. Like I said, going forward, I do not think we are out of the woods yet. I do see us a lot more volatility in the future. Will we continue to go up? Will we go back down? More than likely. My personal opinion is we are not out of the woods yet. We are definitely going to see some bearish market going forward. I could be wrong. I probably am wrong. Who never knows? But that is just my personal opinion. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But I appreciate you for stopping by. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.